Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial in the Java course. This is the second video in the course where we're gonna install the tools we need to start with Java. Check the description for the previous tutorials to keep up and hit the subscribe button to follow along and stay up to date. So, we're gonna start by installing the tool that runs Java in your PC, which is the JDK. The JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So, we hit the browser, runs the JDK download, look for the Oracle site, hit downloads, scroll down and choose the platform that fits for you. In my case it's Windows. Check here, click download. When it's done, we're gonna install it. For my case, I already installed the JDK 8, but it's gonna be the same if you choose any other version above 8, of course. So double click here, yes, and here we go. So after we end the installation, we click close. Now to check everything is working fine, just hit the CMD, type down Java minus version, and here we go. As you can see, the command is recognized by the CMD. If it's not, if you had any sort of error, you can fix it by coming here to the computer, properties, advanced system settings, and check the environment variable and the path. If the path have the bin file of the installed JDK, as you can see, it's already here in my path. If not, just come to the C, program files, and Java, JDK, and the bin file. Copy and paste the whole path. Okay. In your case, just go to folder where you already installed the JDK file. Okay. So copy and paste, click OK, cancel, and it will be working just fine. Okay, so let's test some code. As you can see, for the first remark, the name of the file, it has to be the same name of the class. Okay, so just go where the file is. In my case it's the desktop, hit the CD desktop and write down the Java C and the name of your file, the extension of your file. Here we go. It will generate another file with the extension of the class. Now to run this file with the Java test hello world, and like this we guarantee that the installation of the JDK and everything is just working just fine. Moving now guys to the second part of this video, which is the installation of the IDE or the integrated development environment. The tool that we're gonna install is the Eclipse tool. We hit this link you'll find in the description below. As you can see, you can download the installer or you can download the zip file. After we finished with the download, we extract the file wherever we want. In my case, I did it in the C folder. Here we go. Double click here and here. Double click here, and it will launch. Okay, and here it is, the Eclipse IDE. Now, expand this to see every project that you work on. Okay. If you want to add new, or let's add the new project, come here, Java projects, name it, say tutorial, I don't know, 1 or 01. No, it's already, as you can see. Now if you are asking where the Eclipse gonna save your folders, your projects, okay, you can use the default location or you can choose one on your own. browse here and choose wherever you want, desktop or any place you like. Okay, I will leave it in the default. By the way, in the first launching of Eclipse, it's gonna ask you if you want to make a default location for your workspace or not. Okay, click finish, and here we go. Now to start coding, we have to add a new class. Don't you worry, guys, we're gonna go step by step in the Java language, that we're gonna understand the class terms, the oriented object programming and other stuff. Okay, just hit here, click new, and the Java class, give it a name and say a test name, and check this. This is public static void main to launch the program Java. Okay, click finished, and here we go. Let's test some instruction. Say system, hit control space to let the IDE help you or make the suggestions. To execute, we hit the green button here that says run, and here we go. This is the console where it's gonna shows everything that we write in the program. In this case, we write a simple print. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. I hope that you like it. A link is provided in the description for the tool used in this tutorial. For any question, please leave a comment. I will be happy to reply. Follow me in the next videos by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget that, and goodbye for now.